Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to promote troops inside Kingshot. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for this demonstration, I'm going to promote troops from my range. So I'm going to click onto range, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on train. Now, in order to promote my archers, so at the moment I'm on level 1, if I want to go level 2, I need to reach level 4 to unlock. So I'm going to click on upgrade now, and now this is going to promote my troops to the next level. So I'm just going to give that a few seconds to upgrade. Alright, so now that's upgrade. So if I go ahead and click on train, then I'm going to click on the next troop, so level 2, reach range level 4 to unlock. So I need to upgrade again. So upgrade again. I'm just going to finish this, use some gems. So now it's level 3, I need to upgrade again. Finish 30, yep. Alright, now if I click onto the range, click onto train, it will say level 2 trained archer, which is new. Now I can go ahead and train level 2 archers. And if I keep looking at level 3, I'll need level 7 to unlock, level 11, need level 26 to unlock, and level 30 to unlock. So yeah, you just keep going through that. And also you might need to upgrade your, if I come to my town center, you might need like a level 15 town center in order to upgrade your troops at a higher level. So keep that in mind. It will let you know once you go through the upgrading process inside these training camps.